Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa Ferran and today we're doing something a little bit different. But first, I wanted to tell you that I'm doing a small giveaway to celebrate my 5K subscribers. Yay! But it's gonna be at the end of the video, so stay tuned and keep on watching to know a little bit more about it. I just washed my hair. This is my first I just washed my hair. However, this is not gonna be a hair video. We're doing a full face of Glossier makeup. And yeah, why don't we start? Let's just say before I started into Glossier, I was a little bit worried and scared because it's a mostly like online store and I haven't been to the New York or the LA flagship stores. So I started with the Milk Jelly Cleanser by a friend that she actually got it in Colombia. I mean, she bought it from her aunt sent it to her, whatever. And Kato, if you're watching, thank you, girl. I loved it. And then that's how I started learning more about the brand. It's funny because like the whole like concept out there that people think it's like only for people that have amazing skin. I mean, as you can tell, I don't have perfect skin. I have my spots, you know, my hyperpigmentation. Funny story, I actually filmed this video yesterday and I realized that the mic was off when I exported the video, so there's that. But let's do it again. I'm gonna put my hair in one of my lovable Invisible Bubbles, which I am obsessed with. Wink! And you'll realize why later. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. Actually, let's put it in a kind of sort of pineapple. So, you know, long hair and pineapple. Oh, light. You know, long hair and pineapples are crazy. There we go. Okay, so I just washed my face. I did my whole skincare routine. Sorry, I have a cold for the last week and a half and my cough is still going, which is the worst time to cough in public, but there's that. I did use my Glossier Bubblewrap. This is like amazing. I use it on my under eyes and on my lips to prep it a little bit. Love how it works on your lips. And now my face is bare. I'm going to start with the Glossier Futuredew. And for those of you who don't know, it's an oil hybrid serum. And what it does is it's gonna make your face look like you have pretty much drank your 8 glasses of water. It's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores, which is amazing because I have oily skin and I'm not trying to clog my pores and get any more acne. So there you go. I mean, it's a buildable. If you want it to look a little more glowy, go ahead and apply more pumps. I am good with one pump. Okay, let's start with the base. So this is called the Perfect Skin Tint. I am the shade G7. And pretty much it's just a film for your face. It's a very, very, very light coverage foundation. Like I'm used to using a BB cream or CC cream every day. I don't actually like foundation on my everyday face because I don't like how foundation feels on your face. So this to me is perfect. It's not gonna cover your face. Like those little spots, you can see them, how it's not covering them. It's going to give like a uniform color, you know, pretty much. I mean, the name is Perfect Skin Tint, right? I'm gonna use a little bit more just so you can see. Here are my spots. There you go. And then you blend it up and it pretty much gives like a nice color. I understand we are all grown in this Kardashian era where we feel like we have to hide our imperfections and in all this contour and highlighters and all these things. And I feel like Glossier is like a pretty much the country. And I do love that it's more about enhancing your beauty instead of like changing, you know, your angles, which is fun to do every once in a while. But like, honestly, there's some days that I don't want to wear makeup or that I do my makeup in the car. This is like the perfect makeup brand to do that for because I get ready this quickly and I can do everything with my fingers, which I love because I love brushes, but I hate washing them. And if you don't wash your brushes, you're gonna get bacteria in your face. So I love, you know, I'm washing my hands now all the time pretty much, so can they be any cleaner? I don't think so. I'm going to use my stretch concealer in the shade G7 as well. And what I do love about this concealer is that it's not drying. I mean, it's called stretch for a reason. It moves with your skin, which is great. It's like, you know, for example, the the shade tape, which I know a lot of people love. I actually haven't tried it, but I do have seen a couple of friends wearing it, you know, when they do their whole full face, and it's so drying. Like, I can see your under eye creases, and I hate those under eye creases that everyone gets here. So if you can see them right here, well, maybe not with this one because that's what it's good for, but I do love that this concealer like move with your skin. And if you want a little bit more coverage, honestly, there's some days that I just use these all over my face instead of the skin tint, and that's pretty much give me the coverage that I want and I look for. So I just put a little bit here. There we go. It's really easy to blend, and if you are having doubts and you have a store that you can go to, I would advise you to, they're the same shade because they go together, but I would advise to try your shade with the concealer instead of the skin tint, because that one's gonna blend so easily that's really hard to miss your shade, whereas the concealer is like a thicker consistency and you can actually see which one matches your neck better. I'm gonna use now the Wowder. I have it in shade from G7 to G5 or G5 to G7. So the lower the shade, the deeper the shade. I think I should have gotten a G8 just because I feel like, I don't know, I'm a little pale right now. I haven't seen the sun in a while. I've been working like crazy, but yeah. What I do like is that it has some tint to it, because I have a lot of translucent powders, and honestly, like, I have way too many. And I love that it's not like overly mattifying. Like, it still leaves a way to make it look like you are pretty much bare face, and it's not gonna look like cakey on your face, which I love. Now that my face is watered up, let's start with the eyebrows. So I have the brow flick and the boy brow. The brow flick, it's to create little like fake hairs pretty much. The boy brow is to enhance the hairs that you have. So what I do is I do both. I'm going to like create little like hairs in the areas that I have sparseness first. And one of my eyebrows is a little shorter than the other one, so I just like to a little bit elongate it, and, you know, go with my eyebrow. It's truly just like drawing an eyebrow on. Love how thin the tip is, and it looks very natural. Now, the boy brow, I'm going to open it. I have it in shade black. I'm going to, every time you open it, there's like a little like excess in the top. And if you can see it, I always just do it like this, take it away. And then I start to like at my middle area of my brow, because it's where like the most product has right now. So I'm gonna do it there. I start like that. I do upwards motions. And then I just continue with the front, just so I don't have that much product on the front of the brow. And it's not like really like heavy on the front. There we go. Then the other one, without swiping it again, just because if you need more product, just go to the little tip that you just removed. I do like the fact that it doesn't feel hard on your eyebrows. You know, some other brands, they get like so hard that you can barely move your eyebrows, or they look like really fake. I feel like these ones, they look a little bit more natural. I'm going to continue with the Sky Wash. This is their newest product. It's like a liquid to matte eyeshadow. I think it's the product that I'm mostly happy about, just because it's so easy. Like, I put it on my eyes every day. It takes me like 5-10 seconds to get my eye look pretty much. And what I'm gonna do is like, I take it out and then I swipe 1 and 2 on my eyelids, and then with my fingertips I'm going to just blend it and dab it pretty much, like dab, 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 like pretty much. It's like so easy. Like, I feel like you do need to like learn how to use it first, because it gives you little time to work with, but it's also like dry so pretty and so natural looking Like you can blend it as much as you want. This shade is called Echo. I do like Terra a lot. This one went through a little issue. It's a little broken, but I still love it. It's a great day to night kind of look. This is more like a natural everyday brown, you know, I'm out the door kind of thing. I'm going to continue with that Lash Lick, which I think is a mascara that I've been looking for in all my life. Like, see my eyelashes? I mean, they've grown just because I've been doing something with my eyelashes that I really want to let you know, guys, that I really want to share with you guys in another video. However, this is such a great mascara because it's not gonna be a voluminous mascara. If that's what you're looking for, then I would not advise to get the Lash Lick. It's mostly like it separates your lashes, which I adore because I don't like clumpy eyelashes. I know that's a look that a lot of people go for, but I just want my lashes to be like natural and elegant and long, which I feel like this makes it like an amazing for every day. I do love that it doesn't flake or you don't get any like little smudges at all, and I love the fact that it's not waterproof because even though I love, like, you know, I feel like waterproof are for like special occasions, weddings when you're about to cry pretty much, but like on an everyday thing, just because I'm trying to make my eyelashes grow, like it takes a long time for me to remove my mascara, and I'm trying to make them grow. I don't want to be harsh on them. I don't want to like have to battle them pretty much to remove the pigment. There we go. We have my eyelashes already slicked, I guess. And now we continue with the first product that I truly was excited to try, and it's the Cloud Paint. This is my favorite shade ever, the Storm. I love it. It's an amazing warm rosy nude, very natural color for every skin tone. But this one is the one we're using today. And it's funny because it's orange. I would never ever in my life go for an orange blush. And quite frankly, I never thought I would like this shade. Honestly, I just didn't thought I would ever use it until I did, and I loved it, and now it's my favorite shade. And I loved, you know, I'm getting so many compliments. People said, oh, you have like a glow within, and the shade is Dawn. The secret with this one's, it's that a little bit truly goes a long way. It's really orange. I usually don't, I really don't like, I don't squeeze the tube. I did today just because yesterday I did this video and I already had like used what it was in that cap already. So usually what I do is just like, instead of like squeezing the tube, I just do like 2 dots here, 1 and 2. I don't even know if they're big enough. Yeah, maybe this one a little bit more. And then 1 in the nose because, hey, Doja Cat. And it's really easy. Just take 2 or 3 fingers and dab it. I'm gonna do my nose first because I don't want that to be like there. And just dab all around. Don't blend like this because it will make you look like you have streaks on your face. The key with this is dab, pretty much. Dab, little pat. And I just love how it looks with my Sky Wash and Echo. I think like it's a very like brownie look. Brownie. I love it. I do think it's really like natural and pretty. There you go. It looks so, I love how natural it looks, and it's like orange. Guys, I can't tell you how many like compliments I've gotten from this blush, which has truly become my favorite one. Love it. Yeah, and again, all with my fingers. Love it. Make it easier. I am going to do lips. Leo. Funny story is actually inspired in Leonardo DiCaprio and Claire Danes' Romeo and Juliet movie in the 90s. So, throwback. I love it. It's a brown shade. Literally, it's just brown. But then, like, I want you to see how it looks on my lips now. And then it's buildable, so you really can, like, go over it as much as you want and as much as you like just to build up a color. But if you just want a subtle tint, this is it. It's really natural. I'm gonna go build it up a little bit more just because I like the brown. So hard to do it while you're talking. But just because I like the brown, how it looks with my eye. And then my blush. How do we like? I love this Leo. I think it looks amazing in every skin tone. So that's it. Very nude, very matte. My pineapple is coming undone a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna take care of that later. I am going to apply lip gloss. I am obsessed with the red because it gives like a juicy look. And I know it looks weird, brown and red, but it kind of works in a way, or at least it does for me. I do love the holographic. I think it's pretty cool. This is the holographic. This is the red. I'm gonna wear the red today. It's a thick lip gloss, but I feel like that helps it like stay on forever. There you go. There we go. Makes your lips so like luscious and loose. I love it. And this is it. Let me just put my pineapple down. If this one comes, I don't want to come out. So this is it, guys. This is my Glossier full face look. On my everyday brown, kind of like neutral look. I hope you liked it. And it's time for the giveaway. So I'm actually giving away 5 packages of Invisible Bubbles. This is not a sponsored giveaway. I paid for these babies with my own money. If you have issues with breakage and with your ponytails or hair ties, I truly recommend this. I think it's a great way to start a healthy hair journey. I have pink ones, I have yellow ones, I have clear ones somewhere around, but I wear them all the time. I go to sleep with a pineapple using these, and then in my bonnet. I also wear them at work. I truly haven't bought any other hair ties since I found them out. I love them. I know they're like $8 per thing, so it might be a little expensive if you've never tried it, but I truly think that they're worth it. Amazing, amazing. Each packet has 3 Invisible Bubbles. I didn't want to do any colors just because I don't know what hair color you have, and I think like clear was the best. Now, this giveaway, unfortunately, it's only for USA residents and Colombian residents, just because I'm going to Colombia next month. Well, no, in 2 months. So I can, you know, if you want to wait, I can ship them at that time. Just because shipping is so expensive, guys. I'm sorry, and right now I can't afford to ship, you know, to the other parts of the world where I know I have viewers at, and I would love to, but it's just like right now I can't. Hopefully next giveaway I can totally do that. The rules are very simple. You just have to follow me on my channel, leave a comment down below with this emoji right here, and also with your Instagram handle, because I need to get back to you once I randomly choose the winners. Today's Monday the 9th. I will close it on the 23rd of March of this month. So you have 2 weeks to enter, and I will post back my results on my Instagram. If you're not following me yet, please follow me. There's a link over here. I would appreciate it. I'm trying to grow so I can get that swipe up. I know it's lame, but I really just want that swipe up so I can link you up to my videos there. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you have a wonderful day, a wonderful start of the week, and I'll see you next time. Love you.